talking about version history, you can also name out version histories and then you can filter out version histories according to what you want as well. So to do that, you need to click on the three dot icon right here, and then I'm going to go to the version history, and you can see the different versions as you can see right here. So by default, the versions are not named out. It just says May right here, as you can see, June and June right here. You can go around over here and rename out the versions. So let me just go around and type in TutorTube right here. And for this one, let me type in TutorTube over here as well. So for this one, I'm going to leave it as it is. So if I were to go around onto the top, here right now I can see all the versions, but if I just want to see the named versions now, then you can just see the named versions, and all of the versions that were unnamed gets removed, gets hidden, as you can see. You can click on the three dot icon and rename out a version over here. You can restore this version or make a copy of this particular version as well, or remove out the name, as you can see. So that hides it out because I have the filter on to named versions. Let me just go around onto all versions right here. So what you can also do is you can click over here and make a copy of this version, so it does not disrupt the original Google site, but creates a copy of that particular version so that you can continue working with it, as you can see right here. And that is how you can name and filter out versions from version history. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.